Huh?
There's one right there. Whoa! How do fireworks even get made? That's so cool. No, it's not. Do they just need some time to put them back on? Wow.
So pretty.
Daddy,
Yeah?
it's like the fireworks are dropping on us.
Yeah.
It likes whoa!
Yeah, really nice.
I like that noise. I like that noise. I like that noise. I like that noise. They
You
look
like
like tadpoles. It looks like flying tadpoles. They look like flying tadpoles. Slowly. Daddy, those fireworks look. Yeah,
Smiley
those
face
fireworks.
inside, yeah?
Huh?
It's like they've got a smiley face inside.
Those other ones look like tadpoles flying into the air and then
They're
exploding.
tadpoles.
Yeah. Wow. Whoa! It like goes up fast and then drops on us, but then goes in slow motion. The big ones. Oh, big ones. Come on. Where are they? Oh, that's not big. How long has it been since I've seen fireworks?
Wow.
Whoa. How do they make fireworks?
What?
Aw. Whoa.
What's that shooting thing? Oh.
What's going on? Oh!
Is it not?
Oh!
Nice. Nice firework.
It sounds like you're cooking something.
Does, doesn't it?
Yeah. These fireworks, I like fireworks.
What was that one doing?
Kinley,
Is it over? Oh. I wish one set up into the air and said Happy New Year. Coming down like rain. Not blue. It's colourful red green rain.
What is?
It's colourful red green rain.
Nice lang, yeah?
How long has it been since we've seen fireworks?
Long time.
It's loud though.
It's like a willow tree lang, yeah?
Yeah.
Huh?
No, it's like rain pouring down on us. It's like rain. It looks like rain. It looks like colourful rain shooting out from the sky. Shooting out from the sky. When they all go at the same time.
Pardon?
It makes one big firework when they all go at the one same time.
Yeah.
Let's fly! Let's fly!
Alright, McKinley.
Mama,
Yes?
it's not even loud.
I know.
It's quite loud.
I think they got longer fireworks this year than the last year.
What?
I think they got longer fireworks this year. Last year was a bit quick. Wow.
Wow, purple, purple. It looks like blue. It looks like that's bright. Oh, it literally like light up the whole beach. Ah. Sounds like you're cooking bacon.
Sounds like when you put the chips in the chip fry, doesn't it?
Yeah. No, it sounds like you're cooking bacon.